Hi, my name is Dilrukshi, and our Kai paper is Are Deepfakes Concerning Analyzing Conversations of Deepfakes on Reddit and Exploring Social Implications. My co-authors are Piyush, Mark, Vamshi, and Sasahara, and our research is funded by Japan Science and Technology Agency and Crest Media Project. Have you ever heard deepfakes before? Deepfakes are synthetic media generated using sophisticated algorithms. It reflects things that did not happen for real, but computer generated for manipulation purposes, mainly come in the formats of audio, video, and images. Deepfakes are proliferating in the recent news. It started in 2017 when a subreddit group called Deepfakes they made a pornographic videos using celebrities' images, and since 2018, deepfakes were these type of videos were banned from the Reddit platform. However, we still see many conversations happening inside the Reddit platform about the deepfakes. And also lately, many news has been catching with the deepfakes incidents, either in positive and negative forms. The bigger problem that we see in the deepfakes research landscape is that more of the research focusing on creating deepfakes or improving the algorithms to bring perfect algorithms to the deepfakes creation or detection of the deepfakes. However, we see very less research are concerning of understanding how deepfakes are changing the social society and what are the implications in the long run. In this research, we particularly look at what perceptions of the deepfakes in the Reddit community, and to understand what social implications that we can find from these conversations. To do that, we obtained the data from Reddit platform, and we extracted from 2018 to 2021 of the deepfakes discussions in all of the subreddits. And we particularly asked two research questions. Our research method is leveraged through natural language processing methods. We particularly did the NLP NMF model to conduct a topic modeling, and we pre-processed the data before we did the modeling, and we chunked the data into each year before we did the overall topic modeling to the entire content. And also we use topic coherency model to optimize the number of topics that we obtain from the data. And for example, here's a 2021 sample of the data that we obtain as topics, and 2021 had 18 topics with the highest coherency words, and we derived topics and then the stories of these conversations based on these topics. And we particularly ask the research question: what type of conversations lead in the Reddit communities about deepfakes, and how these communications change over time? During our uh, qualitative codings of the NLP output, we found that many conversations are continuing throughout each year about the deepfakes, such as concerns about the deepfakes. However, we also see many conversations are belonging to pro deepfake creations. People are talking about supporting to create deepfakes, and they also making a deepfake marketplace inside the Reddit community, where some people ask to do or get done deepfakes for money, or some people are creating deepfakes and the other people are supporting how to create deepfakes by providing all the technical knowledge. So deepfakes are providing much more, the community is providing much more incubator facility to the novice learners to learn about the deepfakes. And also, we saw over the years that this kind of discussions are increasing, even though we see deepfakes ban in the platform in 2018. As the second question, we question what are the social implications of these conversations, and uh, throughout the qualitative codes that we have used using the topics, we found that specifically there are uh, 10 social implications that we can dominantly find in these discussions. To mention few, deepfakes is much more uh, thought positives, thought positive in the community of Reddit, and the marketplace is emerging where people are requesting their deepfakes to get done, and deepfakes community is creating a pro culture of teaching the novice learners how to create much more deepfakes in their in their community. And as an implication for human-computer interactions, we specifically focus on, based on the findings of our deepfakes conversations, we particularly highlight that deepfake conversations have to monitor within their morality ground. For example, capturing morality of creating and sharing deepfakes, and people need to provide education on to understand whether creating deepfakes is whether should be done or not done, or how to mitigate the harmful effects from creating these deepfakes. And also, as the design implications, we highlight the need of ethical reviews before creating any tools of deepfakes, and also the detection mechanisms should also provide much more training for students or any of the person who's using deepfakes to understand what are the harmful implications. And also, we highlight the need of the deepfake reporting mechanisms in the platforms. As conclusions, we are highlighting that Reddit community found to be pro deepfakes, and they are embracing deepfakes creation and sharing, and mainly finding as a marketplace. So we highlight the technologies that need to be providing much more education for the next generation to see what are the harmful implications of this technology.